we are going to derive a formula for the capacitance of a parallel plate's capacitor. Let there is a parallel plate capacitor having distance between the two plates D and area of each plate, overlapping area of each plate A. Got it? And the gap between the two plates of parallel plates capacitor is filled with a dielectric substance of constant K. Then if Q charge is stored in the capacitor, if Q charge is stored in the capacitor, then electric field at any point between the two plates of capacitor. The electric field at any point between the two plates of capacitor, sigma upon K epsilon naught. We have derived this formula in cos equals sigma upon K epsilon naught. Now potential difference between the plates. So V equals E into D, because E equals minus dV by dr. Here potential difference. So E equals sigma B upon K epsilon naught. But you know sigma surface charge density. This is said to be total charge upon area of each plate. Sigma is surface charge density. So we can write V equals QD upon KA, question number first. Got it? Actually, this is the potential of first plate, because second plate, potential of second plate is 0 and potential difference between the two plates is V. So actually this is the potential of first plate. Now capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor, C equals Q upon V, or C equals Q upon QD upon KA epsilon naught. We can write C equals KA epsilon naught upon D. If air or vacuum is filled between the plates of capacitor, A epsilon naught upon D. A epsilon naught upon D. For air or vacuum, value is K, or C upon C naught equals K, or C equals C naught. It means on filling the gap by dielectric substance, capacitance is increased by K times. See, got it? Now we can say that the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor depends upon number one, dielectric constant of the medium filled in between the plates of capacitor, area of each plate. Actually this is the overlapping area, whatever the area is facing each other, that area between. And number three, distance. So C depends upon C directly proportional to K, C directly proportional to A, C directly proportional to, if we keep the second plate closer to the first plate, then D decreases, capacitance increases. If we increase area, then capacitance increase. If we increase dielectrics constant, then also C increases. Yes. This is the formula for capacitance of a parallel plates capacitor. Capacitance of a parallel plates capacitor. Now, in this derivation, in the previous derivation, the gap between the plates of capacitor, it was completely filled. Now I am taking the case of partially filled. When dielectrics is partially filled between the plates. When dielectrics is partially filled between the plates. Suppose this is distance between the two plates is D. This is earth connected, and this is the dielectrics, and the thickness of dielectrics is T. Thickness of dielectrics is T. and the distance between the plates is d, and here plus q and here minus. Once again, electric field between the plates, E between the plates in dielectrics. E between the plates in dielectrics. E1 equals sigma upon K epsilon naught, but sigma equals Q upon A. So E1 equals Q upon Ka epsilon naught. So then potential difference between the plates, in dielectrics, potential difference between the plates in dielectrics. So V1 equals E1 into, because thickness of dielectrics is T, so V1 equals Q T upon Ka epsilon naught. Similarly, in air, E2 equals Q upon A epsilon naught, because the value of K is 1, and V2 equals Q upon A epsilon naught. And what is the distance between the plates in air? D minus T. So net potential difference between the plates V1 plus V2. We can take common Q upon A epsilon naught. It will come T plus T upon K plus V minus. So this is the potential difference between the plates of capacitor. This is the potential difference between the plates in dielectrics, and this is the potential difference in air. This is potential difference in air, and it is the potential difference in dielectrics. So net potential difference V barabar V1 plus V2. Then capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor, C equals Q upon V. C equals, you put the values and then you know K epsilon naught P upon K plus V minus. Very simple. Yes.